Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a tenant on Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, here we are just going to follow this learning article of Microsoft. And here it is talking specifically for education or the education plan. And basically this will be applying to every business plan on Microsoft. So the first thing would be is to basically get your subscription so you will be able to start creating your own tenants. And you can do that by going to the Microsoft.com website. And from there, you will be able to go to Microsoft and basically you will be needing to go to plans and pricing. And from there, you will be needing to choose the convenient or like the compatible subscription that will be suitable for your business. So basically, if it's only for home, you wouldn't need any of these. So basically, for a business or for enterprise, you will be needing to choose some of these plans. So you can simply go to see plans and pricing, and from there, you will be needing just to choose the ones that you will need. So you will go and see simply the simple or the basic apps that you will be needing either on the office, and you might be needing the exchange, so you can have like uh, something that will envelope or have all these. And basically you might just like simply go for business and choose your plan, and from there, by having your plan, you will be able to get your own uh, domain name. So as you can see, you can also have like your custom business email, and from there you will have all these features. And basically from here you will have some additional features depends on the type of the subscription. So after that, you will need just to click on buy now, or better go for the free trial so you can create your tenant and try all these features. And basically after that, you will be having your own tenant that has been created successfully. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.